Up for auction is a Secap Bryce 26K. It's an HP powered inkjet printer. It's just like the Pitney Bowes versions. The only thing about this one, it is USB. You do need an older computer that's running Windows XP. I can help you find one, or I can help you install the drivers. The Pitney Bowes software, the envelope designer, works fine on it. I just didn't have time to get XP on a laptop to show you that it works fine. I will show you that everything's running, and before whoever wins this, I will make a video with it running an actual real print job out of envelope designer. You get 5 print heads. These are not numbered correctly. It's actually 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just have this in here right now, and it's gonna run just a test print showing you that everything's good. I do need to replace 2 rollers here, feed tires. They're on their way. They were back ordered from Rena. As you can see, all 5 print heads work. The quality is my inkjet cartridges, not the printer. There's no issues with this thing. Very low usage. Was just ran to run simple addressing on envelopes. I don't even think they use this second bank, to tell you the truth. So you get the printer, power cord, USB. I will provide software and drivers and envelope designer for Windows XP. Any older laptop will work with this, with a USB port. And it's a great way to add direct mail to your production instead of sending it out. Best for uncoated envelopes, but it will print on postcards with the right ink, and I will help you find ink for it. These kind of inkjet cartridges are a little bit more expensive, but they'll print on like coated stock and AQ coated, but mainly just gloss digital printed materials or uncoated semi-gloss, silk, etc. Again, you get the printer, USB cable, power cord. These belts I had these in stock from another Pitney Bowes. These were replaced. I have everything else on order for you. These 2 feeders, these 2 feed rollers, and then the 2 nibs here that create the separation. All that will be replaced before it ships. Otherwise, it's a good machine. It's ready for its next home. You can put a conveyor right here and catch the output, or you can do a drop tray. Super simple. It will run thicker envelopes. You can adjust the height of the inkjet heads. And of course, they're positionable wherever you want them. Very easy to use, very easy to learn. It is older, so you have to deal with Windows XP. But other than that, it's a great machine. Questions, comments, reach out. Sorry for the late video.